The throttle body in the air intake system controls the air that flows into the engine. The amount of air depends on the position of the gas pedal. Press the pedal harder and the throttle plate opens wider to give the engine more air, resulting in more power and increased speed. Eventually, dirt, carbon, and other debris build up inside the throttle body on the throttle plate and butterfly valve, reducing airflow and causing parts to stick. When this happens, you may experience noise at higher engine speeds, fluctuating idle or stalling, rough or slow acceleration, and higher emissions. Throttle body and air intake cleaner from CRC Industries effectively cleans and removes power-robbing gums from air intake components on fuel-injected vehicles, and it's easy to use. With the engine off, remove the air intake duct to expose the throttle body. It may be necessary to remove the mass airflow sensor. Place a rag under the throttle body to collect runoff. Spray CRC throttle body and air intake cleaner in 3 to 5 short bursts, not continuously, manually moving the butterfly valve back and forth as you spray. Many vehicles have electronic throttle control and use drive-by-wire technology to connect the throttle to the pedal. But if your vehicle has a throttle cable or linkage, be sure to clean that as well. Brush parts inside and out with a toothbrush, then respray and wipe down. That's it! If you've removed the mass airflow sensor, you may want to take this opportunity to clean it with CRC Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner. Reassemble the mass airflow sensor, air intake duct, and filter. With CRC throttle body and air intake cleaner, you'll experience easier starting and smoother, more efficient engine performance.